So good morning. Today is November 20.
Saka, 2G. Station number D09.
16,000 yen to. See, this small. Yeah. So mag-o-onsen po kami. So dito lang to sa hotel. It's nice na to. So ito na yung area. Gutom na ako. Then, our beer. Sarap ang lambot ng beef. Yun! So, good morning. Today is November 20 and past 8 na po in the morning. So, we'll just have breakfast here sa hotel. So, it's 2,000 yen. So here's the selection. So ito yung buffet. So ito po yung buffet. There's bread. Then, what's this? So there's a salad.
Green juice.
Akala ko matcha.
Saka, 2G. Station number D09. Please exit on the right.
Baka for lunch. Ooh. Hot water. So ito siya. So gusto ng instant. Sarap siya. Ito, another store. Ang dami niya pong binili Puro matcha. Sinisinghot niya po yung matcha. Beba. So they have there are 5 variants. This is the premium one. Magkano nga ito? 16,000?
So like, sa equivalent is $102.
16,000 yen to. See, the small. Kasi may box. Charot. This is the cheapest. Nasa 4,000 yen. Then yung dark green. Iba po siya ng flavor Flavor, variant. Ano ba? Classification, variant, flavor, ano ba? Basta this one is around 7,000 yen.
Grabe
And ito, chocolate. So 750. Tutry lang natin. So itong area na to yung World Heritage Site, Byoduin Temple. So may Torii here.
Nakita ko ang daming local.
1645, ay, 16, ano nga ba yan? 1854, mas matanda tong nandito sa kanto. Hindi, doon nakapila sa ano. sa pagkain sila nakapila eh. Baka hindi yan yun. Ramen to eh.
Teka lang.
Uy, may gyoza na matcha.
Ano yung inano ko?
Ito. Ayun, may malit din sila. Ano, nakakan. Mas mura to.
Mas mura nga. Nabudol na.
Pero, like, ito pala.
Full chat. Matcha for cooking.
Ayun, plain rich. So, depende. Another store, another matcha.
There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.
Galing mo yung
Terrible things started happening when you walked away.
ang galing.
That's why I stay.
Growing slowly.
Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby.
Ay, tingin pala. Ayun, nilaw ng tubig.
When I feel so empty without you.
So, mag-o-onsen po kami. So, dito lang to sa hotel. Sa Laniwa Onsen. Osaka Bay Tower. So, pag naka-check-in kayo sa Art Hotel, may discount. Please take off your shoes. So, open siya ng 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Pero kapag guest kayo, 6 a.m. to 9:30 ata for guest. For guest lang ng Art Hotel. Dito. Ito nga. So, ito yung...
So, kung ano yung may suset mo.
Oo.
Pero pa.
Private to
Ano ba? Babayaran natin? On the way out.
I think English. Every payment in this facility is paid. Later pa.
Okay. 収録書きナンバーでプライスで
Okay.
トータルでレーター
Okay. Thank you.
ありがとうございます
Ay, thank you. Oo, dun sa kainan. Ano, kain ba muna tayo bago maligo? Kain muna tayo.
Hindi pa ako na
Sa atin yung yukata. Ano kayang maganda?
It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good and shine. This addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know.
So nakayukata na po ako. It's nice, nakatawa. So nasa may Bentencio lang to. Just waiting for the air. So, ang tagal po nila. So may rooftop garden and private car. Rooftop garden. Okay. And may bedrock sauna. Kaso dito sa sauna, bago lang yukata. So, kailangan magpalit ng isa pa. May cafe at beauty and wellness. Which, mamaya natin try. So, ito na yung area. So, here, meron. May fish also. May kumakain ng dead skin cells. So, ang gamit ko dito pang diet is turkey. So, public bath, right? Nasa ako sa bayan? So, tatlong beer. One is Spring Valley Japan Ale, Yona Yona Ale, and Kirin Ichiban Shibori. So, dalawang craft.
Anong klase siya? Kasi nainggit ako, binabasa mo.
So, dalawang craft, isang draft. So, here's for dinner, beef rice bowl, camembert, tempura, and we have our miso. What's that?
I think this is the sauce.
Then, our beer. Ang sarap ang lambot ng beef. Hindi ko tulong sa myeongdong. Yun! Naubos na yung pot. Yun! Bye! Thank you. one. Four. Ciao. Ito is a bear. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Things, you know I know that. Was kinda hard when it's something that I was so bad. I'm second guessing what I was sure of. Secretly inside I'm dying, emotionally violent. Just tell me what the hell am I doing?
Uh-oh.